I'm gonna read The Notebook of Doom. Sneeze of the Octoslash.
By who?
Troy Cummings.
Okay. This is chapter 1. Okay, go ahead. What's it called? A close-knit group.
Chapter 1. A close-knit group.
Okay, you can face you.
Wow.
Wait.
Wait up, Dottie, Alexander shouted. He jogged to catch up with his friend as she kept skipped
Yep.
along the first
Forest
path.
Good.
No way, Dottie Kit called back. I love SSMP. Monsters.
Meetings. Okay, should we stop at that page?